Pranam to all. I hope you are all fine. In Delhi, here is a harsh, hot climate. The one who has a garden like me has to deal with the harsh, hot climate in the summer season. If you love sweet floral scented blossom, then you must simply plant tuberose. This is our last year tuberose flower. Okay, so let's start about knowing how to plant tuberose in a pot. First, you must prepare your soil. You must keep your soil under the sun for 2 to 3 days. It helps to kill the harmful microbes in the soil. You must add 50% garden soil with 50% kitchen waste compost. Whether planting in the ground or containers, make sure your tuberose bulbs receive well-drained fertile soil and full-day sunlight. Light shade is fine in very hot dry region like in North India. Start with good quality, well-drained potting soil and containers with adequate drainage hole. Dig holes and plant the bulb with 2 to 3 of soil above the tops. Best time to plant this bulb is after spring. Water regularly during active periods. Ensure your containers have adequate drainage holes, as tuberose must never sit in waterlogged soil. After 1 month, the plant is now like this. They are now healthy and are prepared to bloom some flowers. You must remove all the weeds from the pot or the plant growth will be hampered. Me and my sister also help in removing the weeds. You must keep in mind that the tuberose is a heavy feeder plant. So you must give the fertilizer weekly. Before giving some fertilizer, you must dig the soil and loosen your soil. It helps to absorb some air and nutrients. Apply a slow release fertilizer at the beginning of the season. Mulching is one of the best way to take care of tuberose plant. You can give onion peel powder for mulching the plant. You can also use it as a fertilizer. Sometimes you can also give kitchen waste compost as the fertilizer. Tuberose plant usually doesn't have a pest attack. Although my mom prefers to spray bioenzyme as the pesticide of the plant. If you also want to give this pesticide, then you have to take 10 ml of bioenzyme, dilute it with 1 liter of water and then spray it to the plants. It is not only a pesticide, but it is also a micronutrient for the plant. This is the almost mature tuberose plant. Right now, we are waiting for the flowering. So my mom is going to give a special kind of fertilizer to get more flowers. This is the banana peel fertilizer. It is mainly a potassium-rich fertilizer. To make this, you need to cut banana peels. You should cut the banana peel in very small pieces. Then soak the banana peel with water for 1 week. If you add 10 ml of bioenzyme with it, it will be a more active fertilizer. Now dilute it with water and give it to your plants. So we are eagerly waiting for a lovely sweet floral scented white flower. Tuberose flower is very easy to grow. So you can try it and enjoy your gardening. I hope today you enjoyed my video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.